I'm Saul Reisman with Saul's Autotek, and today I'm here with this Buick SUV to talk a little bit about the regular basic services. Now, this vehicle is as straight middle of the road as we can get in terms of the most common vehicles and the most common repairs and maintenance. However, the reason this vehicle is here today isn't for a repair. This owner is being proactive and staying ahead of their maintenance schedule. The vehicle from the manufacturer often comes with a maintenance timetable that'll tell you at 5, 10, 15, or 30, 60, 70, 100,000 miles what services they recommend and the reason they recommend those to keep your vehicle in the best shape possible. We know a lot of owners get scared to go into the dealership about these services because they feel that when they go to the dealership for that service, they're being upsold something else, or they're being mistreated and told that it's more expensive than it should be otherwise. Here at Saul's Autotek, we provide all of your factory maintenance services for all makes and models. So rather than go to the dealership and feel like you're spending more money than you should, you're welcome to come here and see us as an independent facility where we can give you an independence perspective. We're going to take that manufacturer's suggested timetable, and while we can provide every service that they do, we're also going to inspect your vehicle and make sure that some of those services have not already been performed, or if there's anything otherwise that should be being looked at that's not. Our goal isn't to read a manual and tell you to do A, B, and C. Our goal is to take care of your car as if it's a person and look at it for what it is and provide whatever testing it needs for its exact and specific circumstance so we can take care of you as best as possible. If you've got concerns about your vehicle for its regular maintenance schedule, sign up for our program and we'd be happy to call you, email you, text you, or even snail mail you, whatever you decide, so that we can keep you up to date on your vehicle. Rather than get chased down by a dealership or have somebody calling saying that they think it's X, Y, or Z all the time, we're going to simply let you know what the manufacturer recommended, what services are typically seen on your vehicle at this time frame, and get you in with us for a free diagnostic of those every time so that we can keep your vehicle maintained perfectly for as long as possible. If you've got concerns about yours or you want to keep it on the road for as long as you can, come and see us and talk to us about some of the longest cars that we service. Today we got to see a 1996 Toyota 4Runner with 369,000 miles. The owner's been coming here for 15 years for the regular maintenance and service, and today when they brought it in and said they're getting ready to sell it, we looked through everything. We only found 2 minor services. It's due for an oil change and it's got a dirty air filter. This vehicle's in such good care, we know it's going to go another 100,000 plus, and so does that owner. If you've got concerns about yours, come and see us and let us keep you on the road for another 15 years. Saul's Autotek is open 7 days a week at 303-919-7769 for all your maintenance needs.